Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fill a layer in Photopea with color. It is super simple, guys, so let me show you how it's done really quickly. So what you want to do first, guys, is add a layer to your list of layers in your project. You can do that by clicking on that button or icon here in the top right corner that looks like a page like that here. Add new layer. After that, select your layer here in your layer list with your left mouse, and what you want to do after that is select that tool here on the left sidebar that looks pretty much like a gradient rectangle. Hold your left mouse on it and select the paint bucket tool. You can alternately use G on your keyboard as a shortcut to do that. And in the last step, simply select the color from the color tool here at the bottom. Like, I don't know, let's fill that layer, that background layer with red color. Just select red and left click on the layer, and that is going to apply the color to that layer to fill it. And that's all to it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.